Let's learn to play the Bluey theme song on the piano. This is a very basic tutorial, and I'm just going to show you mainly the right hand part for this. The song's actually played on an instrument called the melodica, which is like a keyboard / harmonica type thing. The most important thing for learning a song on the keyboard is understanding the notes and letters on the keys, and primarily middle C, which is right here. Now I have a dry erase marker, and I'm going to use this dry erase marker to write the letters on the keys. You can do this at home if you want to as well, but make sure that you use a dry erase marker or a pencil or something that will come off the keys. You don't want to write with a Sharpie or something that will stay on the keys permanently. You've been warned! All right, so I'm going to write the letters on the keys here. Here's middle C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And then going down here, we have A, B. It's really important to know the letters on the keys because this is how we learn songs, whether you're reading songs from notes or you're just using letters to learn. We're going to be using a lot of black keys in this song, and the black keys are called sharps. So I haven't written in the letter names of the sharps, but basically the way that sharps work are if you play, for example, this middle black key of these three right here, this is G sharp. It's to the right of G, so it's going this way. So this is G, G sharp, and then A. G sharp is actually our first note. There are two parts to this little melody. Here's how the first part goes. And we're using our right hand here. We're gonna play the notes G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, B, C sharp, E, C sharp, B. Let's take a look at that first part again. G sharp is the middle black key, F sharp is right next to it, and then E, okay? And then we're gonna do a little crossover thing here. D sharp, it's right next to E, B, C sharp, E, C sharp, B. C sharp is right to the right of C. Now you can use one finger to play this, and that's totally fine. It's a little bit trickier to play a song quickly with one finger, and I don't recommend doing that all the time, but if you're just starting out and you just want to find the notes, it would look like this. But if you want to use different fingers, here's what I recommend. We're going to use our third finger. This is the third finger. Second finger. And then thumb, which is our first finger, like. And then doing this crossover thing where we move to our third finger on the D sharp, like this. And then B here. C with our pointer finger, that's C sharp actually. E, C sharp, B. If you use different fingers and cross over, it allows you to play smoothly and quickly. I highly recommend that. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Liking videos is actually really important for creators like myself because it helps the video to reach more people. The second part of the Bluey theme song is almost exactly the same as the first. It's actually just a little bit shorter and it has a couple less notes in it. It sounds like this. It's a little bit simpler because we take off the C sharp and the B on the end there. So we just do G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, B, C sharp, E. And that's it. So here's the first part. And here's the second part. By the way, if you want to get even better at the piano, I have a beginner series for kids. It currently has 9 videos. Go check it out. Also, I have my own book for the piano. It's called Kasey's Piano Method for Kids. You can find that on my Shopify page. So what's your favorite Bluey episode? Let me know in the comments. I have to admit, I haven't seen all the Bluey episodes. I've probably only seen 8 or 9 of them. Currently, my favorite episode is the camping one. One cool thing about playing on a keyboard is that you can hook it up to a computer, and if you have the right software, you can make it sound like whatever you want. So, for example, I can make this sound like the melodica that is used for the Bluey theme song, or an accordion, which sounds really similar. So this lesson is just for the right hand of how to play the Bluey theme song, but you can also practice playing with your left hand the same exact thing, and that's actually really important because we want to be good at playing with both hands, and if you're only ever using your right hand, or if you're left hand and you're only using your left hand, then what's going to happen is you're going to get good at only that hand, and then when you actually have to use the other hand, it's going to feel difficult, and you're not going to want to do it. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope that this video was helpful for your learning, and make sure you check out the beginner series for kids because I guarantee you it's going to help improve your piano skills. Adios!